Are you looking for an easy and flexible way to display numbers on a linear scale? Whether it's a thermometer, speedometer, or progress tracker, Syncfusion's React Linear Gauge has you covered. First, let's talk about customization. You can position the gauge vertically or horizontally, making it super adaptable to any layout. Perfect for desktops, tablets, or mobile screens. Need a title? You can easily add one and customize everything about it, from the font style and size to the color, opacity, and even the font family to match your app's theme. Now let's dive into the axes. These are the linear scales where your values are plotted. You can create multiple axes to display complex data. Each axis is customizable. You can set start and end values, reverse the direction of the scale, or position it on the opposite side for a better fit. Want to go deeper? You can style the axis line by changing its height, width, color, or offset. The ticks, those little markers along the axis, can also be tweaked. Labels are just as flexible. You can control their size, color, and format. Want to display values in percentages, currency, or add units like degrees Celsius or kilometers? That's easy with placeholders. To visually segment your data, you can add ranges to the gauge. These let you show low, medium, and high values with customizable colors and gradients. You can define their start and end points, widths, and even their position on the axis. Pointers mark specific values on the gauge. You can choose bar pointers or markers in various shapes like circles, triangles, or even custom icons and text. Need to display multiple values? Add as many pointers as you need, each with its own unique style and smooth animations. For an interactive touch, enable pointer dragging so users can dynamically adjust values. Tooltips make it even better by appearing on hover to show detailed, formatted information, complete with units if needed. Now, let's look at the container, the space that holds everything together. It can take the shape of a rectangle, rounded rectangle, or thermometer. Customize its size, color, border, and offset to give your gauge a polished, professional look. Annotations are another cool feature. They let you highlight specific areas with text, images, or even HTML content, which you can position precisely for clarity. The linear gauge fits seamlessly with other React components like dashboard layout, tabs, and dialogues. And when it's time to share your work, you can print the gauge directly from the browser or export it as an image, PDF, or even a base 64 string. Globalization is built in too. You can display text and numbers in different cultures and use the format property to display values in the numeric format. Plus, it's fully accessible with features like screen reader support and YARIA attributes to ensure smooth navigation for all users. Ready to bring your data visualization to life? Try Syncfusion's React Linear Gauge today and give your app the edge it deserves.